Imagine waking up tomorrow with the power to transform your life in just 24 hours. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Many of you might be thinking, can a single day make a difference? It's normal to doubt or question the impact of such a short time on your life's journey. But here's the thing, this one-day reset isn't just a promise. It's a proven path to change. It's about permitting yourself to pause, to reflect, and to steer your life in the direction you've always dreamed of. Today, we're going to dive into how a simple yet profoundly intentional reset can not only shift your mindset, but can also pave the way for lasting changes. This isn't just another day. This is your opportunity to rewrite your story, reclaim control, and rediscover the strength within you. So, are you ready to see what happens when you press the reset button for just one day? Let's find out together. In life, just as our devices sometimes need a reset to function at their best, so do we. Pressing the reset button on your life, inspired by programs like Move With Us and the wisdom shared by Kristen Dahl, is about giving yourself a fresh start. It's a moment to pause, reflect, and make intentional changes that align more closely with who you are and who you aspire to be. This concept goes beyond just taking a break. It's about deep, meaningful shifts that reconnect us with our bodies and minds, leading to an improved sense of well-being. The benefits of taking this step are profound. Imagine feeling more in tune with yourself, where every breath and every movement brings you closer to a state of clarity and peace. This connection between mind and body isn't just fleeting. It's the groundwork for wellness that lasts. It's about establishing habits that nourish you, not just physically, but emotionally and spiritually. By resetting, you open the door to a life where balance is not just possible, but it's a foundation. A life where you're not just surviving, but thriving. This is the power of resetting, creating a ripple effect of positive change that touches every aspect of your being. Every sunrise brings a new opportunity to shape our lives, and how we greet the morning can set the tone for the entire day. Inspired by the insightful suggestions from Kristen Dahl, let's explore a morning routine designed to refresh your spirit and align your actions with your deepest intentions. Imagine starting your day immersed in a ritual that centers you, beginning with a simple act of hydration. Drinking warm lemon water not only awakens your digestive system, but also floods your body with vitality, preparing you for the day ahead. Next, grant yourself a moment of peace with a tech break. Before the world demands your attention, find serenity in the quiet of the morning. This precious time allows you to connect with yourself, free from the digital world's pull. In these moments of silence, engage in meditation. Whether it's for 5 minutes or 15, this practice grounds you, clears your mind, and infuses your day with calmness and clarity. And then there's the act of nourishing your body with a breakfast that energizes and satisfies. Choosing foods that fuel your body and delight your senses not only honors your physical needs, but also serves as a reminder that you are worthy of care and attention. This combination of hydration, a break from technology, meditation, and a nourishing meal isn't just a routine. It's a commitment to starting your day aligned with your goals for well-being and balance. It's about creating a foundation for a day lived with intention, grace, and strength. The journey of resetting is a holistic one, weaving together the essentials of detoxification, physical activity, and mindful eating into a tapestry of rejuvenation. Let's take a closer look at each of these components, understanding their role and the simple science that makes them so effective in renewing our whole selves. Detoxification is the body's natural way of clearing toxins, those unwelcome guests that can affect our energy, mood, and overall health. By incorporating practices that support detoxification, such as staying hydrated and choosing foods that naturally cleanse our system, we support our body's innate ability to heal and maintain balance. It's like giving your body a clean slate, setting the stage for optimal health. Physical activity, then, is the catalyst for transformation. It's not just about movement, it's about awakening. Every step, stretch, or strength-building move sends a powerful message to our body and brain. We are alive, we are strong, and we are capable of growth. Exercise boosts endorphins, our body's feel-good hormones, and supports overall well-being. It's a cornerstone of the reset process, energizing us for the journey ahead. Mindful eating brings a sense of awareness and gratitude to our dining table. It's about savoring flavors, listening to our body's hunger and fullness signals, and choosing foods that nourish us deeply. This practice is grounded in the science of how our body responds to food, not just as fuel, but as a source of health, vitality, and pleasure. When we eat mindfully, we're not just feeding our bodies, we're nourishing our souls. Together, these elements form a powerful trifecta in the reset process. Detoxification cleanses us, physical activity strengthens us, and mindful eating nourishes us, each playing a vital role in our journey toward a balanced, vibrant life. By understanding and accepting these components, we step forward into a reset that rejuvenates not just our body, but our entire being. As the day unfolds, maintaining the momentum of your reset becomes crucial. The sun at its zenith marks not just the middle of the day, but a moment to recommit to your journey of rejuvenation. Midday practices are your bridge, carrying the morning's intentions through to the evening's calm. A balanced lunch is the cornerstone of this part of the day. Imagine a plate filled with vibrant colors and textures, each bite a testament to your body's needs and your soul's desires. This meal is more than just food. It's fuel for your continued transformation, providing the energy and nutrients necessary to thrive. After nourishing your body, it's time to refresh your mind and spirit with light walking. Stepping outside, feeling the earth beneath your feet, and taking in the world around you is an act of presence. This gentle movement invites a shift in perspective, a deepening of breath, and a renewal of energy. It's a simple yet profound way to reconnect with yourself and the natural world, encouraging a sense of peace and clarity as you move through the rest of your day. Hydration, too, plays a pivotal role in your midday ritual. Water is life's elixir, and staying hydrated ensures that every cell in your body can function at its best. It's about more than quenching thirst. It's about maintaining the flow of your reset, keeping your mind alert, and keeping your body agile. Each sip is a reminder of the care and attention you're dedicating to this day of transformation. These midday practices, balanced nourishment, gentle movement, and continuous hydration, are beacons that guide you through your day. They are simple acts, yet they hold the power to sustain the momentum of your reset, ensuring that every moment is an opportunity for growth and renewal. As the afternoon unfolds, its gentle pace can sometimes bring a lull in our energy and focus. Yet this time also holds a a promise that with mindful actions, we can continue to harness the vibrancy and purpose of our day. To navigate these hours with grace and vitality, consider these simple yet powerful practices. Firstly, let's talk about nourishment. Snacks are not just pauses in our day, they're opportunities to refuel and refresh. Opt for options that are both satisfying and energizing. Think a handful of nuts for protein, a piece of fruit for natural sweetness, or crunchy vegetables with hummus. These choices keep your energy levels stable and your mind clear, bridging the gap between meals without weighing you down. In the heart of the afternoon, when the world outside buzzes with activity, find a moment for stillness. A brief meditation or a few deep, intentional breaths can act as an anchor, bringing you back to the center of your being. This practice isn't about escaping the day, but about engaging with it more fully. It's a reminder that even in busyness, there's a place of calm within you that's always accessible. Staying hydrated is equally crucial during these hours. Water is the essence of life, and maintaining hydration means maintaining the flow of your energy and the clarity of your thoughts. Let each sip be a moment of mindfulness, a recognition of the journey you're on and the care you're taking of yourself along the way. These afternoon actions, mindful snacking, brief meditation or deep breathing, and continuous hydration, are not just steps to get through the day. They are expressions of your commitment to this reset. Each one, a reaffirmation of your dedication to living with intention and vitality. As the day eases into the soft hues of the evening, it's time to accept a routine that gently guides you into rest and rejuvenation. This part of your day is crucial, a sacred time to nourish not just your body, but also your soul. An ideal evening begins with a meal that's as nourishing as it is comforting. Imagine a dinner that combines the wholesomeness of vegetables, the richness of lean proteins, and the grounding presence of whole grains. This meal is your invitation to slow down, to savor each bite, and to nourish yourself from the inside out. After dinner, step into your wind-down ritual, a series of actions and intentions that signal to your body and mind that it's time to rest. This might mean dimming the lights, turning off screens, and perhaps steeping a cup of herbal tea. It's in these moments that you create a bridge from the day's activities to the night's rest, inviting calm and preparing for deep, restorative sleep. Central to your evening is the practice of gratitude. Taking time to reflect on the moments, big or small, that brought joy or meaning to your day is more than just a practice of thankfulness. It's a celebration of life's gifts, a reminder of the abundance that surrounds you, and a powerful way to align your heart and mind with positivity. Whether you jot down your thoughts in a journal or simply take a moment to reflect, this practice enriches your spirit, fills your heart with contentment, and wraps up your day with a sense of completion and peace. This evening routine, mindful dining, a serene wind down, and the acceptance of gratitude is not just an end, but a beginning. It's how you honor the day that was and prepare for the day to come, ensuring that every step of your reset is grounded in care, awareness, and appreciation. As dawn breaks on the horizon, marking the arrival of a new day, the journey you started upon during your reset day doesn't conclude, it flourishes. The insights and transformations experienced in those 24 hours are seeds planted in the fertile soil of your life, ready to grow and shape your future. The question then becomes, how do we nurture these seeds to ensure their growth and the sustainability of our changes? The answer lies in the simple yet profound act of setting small, achievable goals. These goals are the stepping stones on your path of transformation, each one a commitment to continuing the practices that brought you clarity, peace, and wellness. Whether it's dedicating a few minutes each morning to meditation, choosing to hydrate consistently throughout the day, or ending each evening with a moment of gratitude, these small actions accumulate into significant, lasting change. Integration of the insights gained is a deliberate process, one that requires mindfulness and intention. It's about weaving the principles of the reset into the fabric of your daily life, allowing the practices to become as natural and necessary as breathing. This integration is not a race, but a journey, one that is unique to each, individual and filled with personal discoveries and victories. So as you step forward into the days and weeks ahead, carry with you the knowledge that every moment is an opportunity for renewal and growth. Accept the journey with an open heart and a spirit willing to accept change. Remember, transformation is not just about the big leaps. It's also about the small steps taken consistently over time. In this journey of continuous growth, let your reset day be the beacon that guides you, a reminder of your potential to reshape your life, one day, one action, and one goal at a time. Here's to the journey ahead, filled with possibilities, growth, and an ever-deepening understanding of what it means to live fully and authentically. In the journey of transformation and renewal, questions are not just queries. They are the stepping stones of understanding and growth. Let's address some of the common questions that might be lighting up your mind, providing clarity and direction as you continue on your path. How can significant change truly happen in just one day? It might seem like a stretch to imagine that profound change can occur in a mere 24 hours. Yet it's not about overhauling your entire life in a day, but about sparking a new perspective, a shift in mindset that can catalyze continuous growth. This day is about planting seeds of change and making small but powerful choices that set the stage for lasting transformation. What exactly does pressing the reset button involve? Pressing the reset button is a metaphor for permitting yourself to start anew, to look at your life with fresh eyes and an open heart. It involves dedicating a day to practices that nourish, rejuvenate, and realign your body, mind, and spirit. Whether it's through mindfulness, nourishment, or physical movement, it's about creating space for yourself to reconnect and rebalance. Is this approach scientifically backed or just motivational fluff? While the idea of a reset is indeed inspiring, it's grounded in science. The practices advocated, like mindfulness, healthy eating, and physical activity, are supported by extensive research for their benefits to mental and physical health. This day of reset is not just about feeling good at the moment, but about taking scientifically supported steps towards a healthier, more balanced life. What happens after one day? How do I maintain the changes? The day after your reset is just as important as the reset itself. It's about taking the insights and practices from that day and weaving them into the fabric of your everyday life. Maintaining the changes involves setting achievable goals, remaining committed to your well-being, and being patient with yourself as you make these practices a natural part of your daily routine. Are there any real-life success stories of people who've done this? Absolutely. Many have found that taking a day to reset has opened the door to new habits, perspectives, and improvements in their overall well-being. While each person's journey is unique, the common thread is the discovery of how small, intentional actions can lead to significant, positive changes in their lives. By addressing these questions, we shine a light on the path ahead, illuminating the practicality, science, and lasting impact of taking a day to reset. Remember, every question asked is a step closer to understanding, and every answer found is a step closer to transformation. As we reach the end of our journey today, let's hold on to the powerful realization that profound change isn't always about monumental leaps. Sometimes it begins with a single day of intentional actions and mindset shifts. This day of rest, as we've explored, is a beacon of hope and transformation, proving that each one of us has the power to reshape our lives, one day at a time. Now I encourage you, no, I challenge you, to take this journey to reset yourself. Accept the practices, accept the change, and most importantly, share your story. Let your experience be a light to others, showing that transformation is within reach, one intentional step at a time. And before you start on this transformative journey, remember to like this video if it resonates with you and subscribe to our channel for more content that inspires and guides you toward a life of balance, wellness, and purpose. Together, let's build a community of change makers, one reset day at a time.